Hello, my skills are teamwork, perseverance, and sense of belonging. I like to do physical activity and share my free time with many people, especially my family and friends. I like to help people who need my help. I like to go dancing with my friends and I like to eat chocolate. I do not like watching horror movies. I do not like to discriminate against women and treat them badly, and I do not like vegetables. What makes it impossible for me to remain alone or be looked for a long time. Time. It also makes it impossible for me to present a speech to many people.